Good morning, children. Myself Tandal Alpa, your computer teacher. Today I am going to take a revision of chapter 1, that is parts of computer. Computer has four main parts which help in performing the IPO cycle that I already explained. What is the meaning of IPO cycle? Input, processing and output. Look at this picture. Keyboard. Keyboard is a part of computer. A particular key is pressed, sending an electronic signal to the computer's brain, right? The computer's brain interprets the signal. How the keyboard works, it is explaining over here. The computer sends back a particular letter or character which represent the signal that the computer has interpreted. Now, mouse controls the movement of the cursor on the screen. As you move the mouse, the cursor moves in the same direction. On mouse pad, we are moving the mouse. As we have moving on the mouse pad, the cursor will move on the screen. Useful in graphics programs where you can draw pictures by using the mouse as a pen or paint brush. As you are using an MS Paint, Tux Paint, okay? So, because of its shape, the wire connecting to his computer being it's a tail. Means whatever the wire connected to CPU, that is called a tail. A tail of a mouse, right? Now a computer screen means a monitor. Look at the picture, monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It displays all the work that we do on a computer. Means whatever the work we done on a computer, it displays on a monitor. A monitor is also known as VDU and the full form of VDU is Visual Display Unit. The information that we see on a monitor is called a soft copy. Means after we finish our work, whatever we type in a computer, we can see on a monitor. That is called a soft copy. Now look at the picture. It's a CRT monitor. The full form of CRT is cathode rays tube. These monitors are bigger in size. Now look at this. This is LCD monitor and the full form of LCD is liquid crystal display unit. It is flat type of computer system that consume less power. Means comparative to CRT, it consume less power. Now CPU. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer that controls all the parts of a computer system. Why it is called brain of a computer? Because it controls all the parts of a computer system. All the parts means input devices, output devices, like that. It does all the calculation and displays the result on the monitor. What it does? All the calculation and displays the result on the monitor. It also stores a lots of information. What it does? Stores a lots of information. Means whatever we work with computer, whatever we save, तो वो क्या करता है? Store. Means lots of information it's stored. A CPU is made up of three main parts. CPU तीन अलग अलग चीज़ों से बने. उसके तीन अलग parts कौन से हैं? MU, CU and ALU. Now MU stands for memory unit, CU stands for control unit and ALU stands for arithmetic and logical unit. Let me see in detail. Now a memory unit. What Look at the picture of memory unit. It is inside a CPU. What it will be do? Level look. This unit stores the information or data according to our need. ये यूनिट क्या करता है? डेटा एंड इंफॉर्मेशन हमारी ज़रूरत के हिसाब से स्टोर करता है. और क्या करता है कि द इंफॉर्मेशन इन द मेमोरी कैन बी चेंज्ड. Means whatever the information stored we can change and taken out on the screen, and whenever we require that information again we can take from the memory unit. Look at the picture. Which picture is this? Yes, I know you don't know about this. I will show you. It is the picture of control unit. It also inside the CPU box and it stands for control unit. Now the control unit works like a traffic policeman. इसका काम क्या है? Like a traffic policeman. It controls and manages the working of all the parts of a computer. I mean what it will be do like policeman. Policeman क्या करता है? Control the traffic. So same way in computer, input devices, output devices, then user, all are work together. So whatever the activities done by the computer system, all the control will handled by this control unit. That's why it is called, it is work like a, this unit works like a traffic policeman. Look at the picture. This is the picture of ALU and ALU का full form है arithmetic and logical unit. This unit performs all arithmetic calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Means this all the calculation will calculate under ALU. It also performs logical. Logical operation means like finding the greater than and smaller number. We can do logical operations also under this ALU. Now look at the picture. This is a speakers. What it will be do? Speakers output sound from your computer. The speakers take the electronic signals stored on things like CDs and DVDs and send them out as the sound we can hear. Whatever we having as a storage devices like CD, DVD, pen drive, we can hear from a speakers. Look at this picture. This is printer. This device is used for outputting text or images onto a paper. Printer का काम क्या है? Whatever the output we having on a screen, we can take a print out on a paper. Different kinds of printers produce different quality output. Means it is depend on the which type of printer we having. Laser and inkjet printers produce the highest quality documents. Now points at a glance. What we learned from this chapter. Machines that let you enter the data, it is called input device. Machines that shows you the data in a form of you can understand are output devices. CPU processes the data and also stores large amount of data. Then the output printed on a paper using a printer is called a hard copy. Now time of homework. You have to write this homework 2 times in a notebook. The output, the dash unit works like a traffic policeman. Which unit works like a policeman? Right now I explained control unit. The output printed on a paper is called a dash copy. In this video right now we have discussed called hard copy. A computer gives dash results all the time. कंप्यूटर कैसा रिजल्ट देता है? ऑल टाइम एक्यूरेट. A computer works on dash cycle. This we learnt in last revision. works on IPO cycle. Now, the data and instructions given to the computer are called input. Now children, I hope you understand all the things what I explained in this video. I hope positive. If you have any query, you can text me. I hope you all are fine and you are doing your homework properly. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye children.